Hello and welcome back to your own channel ADN Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. F-35 is one of the two true stealth fighter jet in operation, and other being F-22 Raptor. It is a shining example of one of the greatest engineering feats post-Cold War generation. The fighter jet is almost invisible to enemy radar due to its stealth feature, design, and use of radar absorbing and deflecting materials. It is equipped with one of the best jamming technologies, which is capable of suppressing the air and land-based radars of adversaries. Even if enemy radar detects something in the distance, they won't be able to track the fighter jet. It is one of the most survivable and versatile aircraft built. It can clear the skies of opposing fighter jets and can perform precise ground attacks using smart bombs and missiles. The stealth feature of the fighter jet provides its capability to perform surveillance and reconnaissance missions in the enemy's airspace without getting detected in the enemy's radar. However, the fighter jet is now facing serious problem, and the problem is called Mission Impaired Capability Awaiting Parts, that is MICAP, meaning they are unable to fly missions until fixed. As per US Air Force officials, dozens of F-35s are grounded due to maintenance. Nearly 1 in 7 of the Air Force F-35s cannot fly at all. Air Force Lieutenant General Eric Figg, the head of F-35 program, says 46 F-35s worldwide are in mission impaired capability awaits part status. The breakdown, according to the military.com, includes 41 US Air Force F-35s, 1 Navy F-35C and 1 Marine Corps F-35. 3 more aircraft belongs to the international F-35 customers are MICAP. But the bigger question is, what is wrong with this amazing fighter jet? It's the same problem which Indian fighter jet manufacturer HAL is facing. It's COVID. The pandemic has slowed down the international supply chain on which the global F-35 program relies heavily for everything from parts fabrication to shipping. As you might be aware that Turkey was booted out of F-35 program after the purchase of S-400 system from Russia. Turkey was manufacturing more than 1,000 parts for F-35, including 188 parts for the engine. This has also impacted the supply chain of parts. The another challenge with the F-35s is the need of frequent servicing of F-35 engines. The problem in the engine is related to a surface coating on the turbine blades that overheats, causing the blade to crack. This is the reason engine needs to be serviced before their scheduled maintenance period, resulting in more F-35s being grounded for servicing. As per some expert, if the supply chain issue is not fixed, we could see 20% of F-35 fleet grounded by 2025. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind, friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.